Hello everybody, welcome back to Copper State Outdoors. Greatly appreciate your support and everything that you've all done here for me to help support my channel and help it all grow. Today we're actually going to be covering a little bit more about quail. In the back I have an incubator running of about 44 quail eggs, so hopefully here in the near future I'll be able to have something to show. But in the meantime, we're actually going to be focusing on something a little bit different than what we normally do here with our quail. We're going to actually be showing you how to properly cut your quail eggs. Let's get to it. So these are scissors specifically designed for small eggs, such as these game birds. These can be found on Amazon for probably about like $3 a piece or so, depending on how many that you buy. Basic concept is that you can go ahead and take the egg, place it inside of the hole, and then you use the scissors to actually cut it. Now, some people may not know that these scissors do exist, but they are extremely helpful for these small little eggs. Because if you try to crack these, it's very, very difficult. But I'm going to go ahead and show you that here real quick. So you can either go ahead and cut it from the bottom, or you can cut it from the top. I do find cutting it from the top is a little bit easier than cutting it from the bottom. I used to do it from the bottom, but after going through a lot more of these, noticing that it is easier to cut the top than the bottom. Definitely makes this process go by that much faster than trying to crack it by hand. Less eggshells inside of the bowl, especially when you have a lot of these to go through. See you in a minute. So if you have any kind of comments or questions, go ahead and drop it in the comment section below. Otherwise, like and subscribe.